Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit welcome emails on Substack. This is a great way to personalize your subscriber experience and make a strong first impression when someone joins your newsletter. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to substack.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you into your Substack dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your newsletter. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Dashboard. This is your control center for managing your publication and accessing all the key settings and features. With the dashboard open, look again at the left sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your Substack account, from publication details to subscriber management tools. Now, staying focused on that left sidebar, click on Emails. This is where you can customize all the automated emails that go out to your subscribers, including welcome messages, confirmation emails, and more. Once you're in the Emails section, you'll see an option labeled Welcome Emails. Under this heading, you'll notice two choices. You can edit the welcome email to new subscriber, which goes to people who sign up directly through your site, or the welcome email to imported subscriber, which is sent to contacts you've brought in from another platform. Choose whichever one you want to customize and click the edit button beside it. This will open the email editor where you can make your changes. Take your time here to input the new welcome email content. You might want to introduce yourself, explain what subscribers can expect from your newsletter, or add a personal touch that reflects your writing style. This is your chance to set the tone for your relationship with new subscribers. Once you've finished crafting your welcome email, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Save. This will store your changes and ensure that all future subscribers receive your updated welcome message. And that's it. You've successfully customized your welcome email on Substack, giving new subscribers a personalized greeting that represents your newsletter's unique voice. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.